another video. Today I'm not shooting any cooking video, but cooking video I'll be shooting when it is cooking. Vegetables will be washed and cleansed, so I'm doing that preparation today because it will be very usable for me later on. So I'll freeze this baby vegetables in the freezer. This also video will come soon, so please my channel. This is very worthwhile of purchasing this gadget. I will not tell everybody to purchase, but who wish to purchase, go ahead and purchase it. It is worth in purchasing, buying it. And these are the stem of every leafy vegetable. So I make many chutneys out of this, or using paratha, vegetable, bhaji, many things you can use as a paste. So I do that. Please do let me know from where you're watching, and I would also like to know who loves to see more videos such as this. Wash and clean and keep your veggies in the container dry, and keep no water excesses in this. This is very durable in using. This way I'll be cleaning all other leafy vegetables. So thank you friends.